No time for the camera, Dilly.
My man said he got this uncontrollable urge whenever he eat a banana to just see how far it goes down my man's throat.
I didn't say that.
That's what you said.
That's what it sounded like to me. That's what it sounded like to me, dang it. Holy cow.
You can find me on the back roads, windows tinted, radio blaring, blowing smoke out the ceiling on the back roads. Ain't no other feeling. Headed to a balance, about to pick me up some women on the back roads. Jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing on the back roads. Country boy living, sugar cane fields, make a living on some drilling.
Fixing to go for it?
Going for it.
All right. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Your plastics came undone. Bike, all that pudding.
Oh, look at all the smoke. What's that, buddy?
Yeah, he's got this tiger tail underneath there.
Pull that tiger tail out.
I told him to give me the tiger tail like 5 feet ago.
Oh, shit. 5 feet ago.
Which one you
No,
doing?
that one or that one?
Left one? Tell you about that quarter power again.
Hey! Hey! Did you get stuck?
No. I couldn't make it off that rut.
If I could keep my bike running, I'd show them too.
Yeah, I can't believe you was fucking up.
Bro, I just bought the batteries yesterday. Day before yesterday.
I can't believe you was going through a bunch of shit. You didn't say no, listen. That's a day 2 hole right there. They got us on the fucking hard trails, dog.
Yeah. Now you about to feel like me. Yeah.
Let me tell you
Get you
something.
some of that.
Let me tell you something. It ain't nothing worse than what you've been dragging me down for the last 2 years.
Man, you know the majority of the time I don't lead anyway. We still got 3 of those left. For this route. For this route. Big drop. Big drop. Oh, shit. Oh. Dude, that's like a 3.5, 4 foot drop.
Glad you on that song right there.
Helped you out a little bit, Dilly.